kitchen, and I did a few dishes, and I can feel it. The wind outside is blowing. I don't know if you can see my plant. See my plant? Can you see it? Can you see that plant rocking back and forth there? Okay, it's very windy. The winds are out of the northwest. And I can feel the wind. I'm standing here putting dishes away, and I can feel the breeze. If I put my hand up there right now, I can feel it. I can feel the breeze going through. But even standing back here, put my dishes away, when it howls, I can feel the wind coming in and hitting me through that window. I wonder why it's so cold in here. It's not that cold though, but right now I got a big house coat on too. 62 Fahrenheit, which is what, about 18 Celsius. 18 Celsius, so it's not bad. Need a sweater on. Crazy, just crazy blowing in there. Yes, I still have a terrible headache. It's killing me. I get some stuff done and rest.